picked this out so they go together.
I don't think they would, because those are golf shorts, and that's not a golf shirt.
You know what? What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Tal. Today we are doing a picking each other's outfit at Talize. So Andre's gonna pick me an outfit. What should the requirements be? Pants and a shirt?
Yeah.
Okay. No winter things. Make it like a spring
look.
Spring look. If you guys have not already, make sure you guys subscribe because it is March Madness. I'm posting every single day, Monday to Friday in the month of March. And follow me on Instagram if you haven't already because I post daily content on there. And follow Andre on Instagram because he posts once a year.
I post daily on my Instagram too.
Liar. I will link them both in the...
No, you should put mine right here. You can edit my Instagram right here.
No,
like, right here.
Right here.
Put mine right
here.
here.
1, 2, 3.
Here.
So I'll link his below, and I'll put mine right here.
Put mine right here. I'm gonna make sure it's right here. Like,
how are you gonna
here.
make sure? All right. I guess we'll find out our outfits when we get back to the house. It's gonna be so bad. It's pretty much a week later. It's been a week since we went to the Thrift store and we each picked out an outfit for each other. Now, disclaimer, we looked at the outfits already because I had to wash them, so we already know what it is, but we haven't tried it on yet.
Am I supposed to try on those shorts with that shirt? I don't think they'd go together.
Just trust the process. So for Andre, I picked out these Oakley shorts.
What about the shorts that I bought?
They're upstairs.
Oh, they're for golf. They're golfing shorts.
Whatever, they look good. I think they're cool.
Wouldn't wear them other than golf.
I quit at this. You're being too difficult. Anyways, so I got him Oakley shorts and then a Roots t-shirt. He's gonna try this stuff on, okay?
Disclaimer, I paid for it all.
He paid for it all because I am broke. All right, I present to you.
I'm not ready.
Andre's outfit. What do you rate this outfit?
Like a 6.
6 out of 10?
Yeah.
It matches though. It looks so good.
I don't know. You can match black and gray easily. Yeah,
Okay.
I was expecting more.
You're expecting more from me.
Because when I looked through the shirts, I saw some good things.
Ugh.
Picked at these two things.
Okay, and why did you pick the shirt?
Because it goes with blue. Yeah, and it'll look kind of springy.
Good job. I like it. It turned out really good.
I'm like a professional videographer. Yeah.
Alright, well, that concludes my boyfriend picks out my outfit thrift store edition / girlfriend picks out boyfriend's outfit thrift store edition. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure if you did, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. It's March Madness, posting every single day, Monday to Friday, in the month of March. Make sure you follow me on Instagram because I post daily content on there. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!